What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? This is Day from Broke to Profit, and today I'm going to show you guys how to actually use Fiverr to create your e-commerce for your print-on-demand t-shirt business. Now, with print-on-demand t-shirt businesses, you're able to create t-shirts, mugs, canvases, like anything that is printable or able to be printed on, you're able to use the print on demand services with. Now, I have used Fiverr to actually get my designs made from a selective few individuals, and today I'm going to actually show you guys those individuals and how I actually, who I actually picked in the end to actually use the design with. I'm going to show you basically this with this episode. I'm going to show you the two I did not use, and the next episode I'm going to show you the one I did use. Now I'm going to go to Fiverr and actually show you guys what to insert or type in the search bar to actually get those services provided for you. So go to fiverr.com, obviously, and in the search bar type in t-shirt design. Obviously it pops up already because I already used it. So you definitely have a lot of vendors here that actually do the designs. Basically, and when you actually look for somebody to do your design, I would say this whoever you gravitate towards, or you feel like whatever you're looking for. So if you're looking for somebody to do a graphic, or you look for somebody to just do plain word text, or maybe you get somebody to do some type of calligraphy, you want to make sure you pick the exact person or somebody that you can afford as well. You don't want to sit there and not be able to afford the service. So as you can see, these are like the vendors that are here, and they have a lot of pages. They also have a pro service. I don't know how that works exactly, but I guess you can click that on, and I guess it would show the people that are pro verified. Don't know what that means, but you're actually can check that out yourself. So let me show you the people I actually used to complete my services. This is one of the users. Another user I used, and this is another vendor. Now, between the three vendors, I'm going to actually show you the two vendors. Well, I'm not going to tell you exactly who drew the product or the result at the end. I'm going to show you the designs, though. So this is one design I didn't really quite like. Maybe I interpreted the design to the vendor wrong, or it doesn't fit what what I'm trying to portray. And this one as well. This is actually Rick from Rick and Morty. If you guys actually watch the show, drawn in an anime style. So yeah, it doesn't look like something I would promote or want to put on a T-shirt. I don't really see too much people buying this, but yeah, you live with it's trial and error with this type of stuff. You're gonna have some designs that you're not gonna like, and some designs that you are gonna like. So one thing I would have to actually tell you guys that's really important when you do picking your designs, you want to make sure it has for commercial use. You want to make sure when you actually promote that design, or you actually start selling it online with the print-on-demand companies, that the vendor is not able to actually sue you or actually take the design back and start selling it themselves. Safe, if it does become popular and it becomes a staple, a lot of people start wearing it. You want to make sure that you own the actual design outright. So make sure that anything you choose, it has commercial use. That and actually, you get the source file and everything because you want to make sure that you own that actual design. So on my next episode, I'm actually going to show you guys the company I use to actually promote my print-on-demand service, the application I'm actually using to promote my T-shirt, and the results. So this might be like a 7-part series. So stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm going to actually show you guys, what's entitled and how to make sure that your site, or your e-commerce site, print on demand business is profitable from day one. All right. Now, thank you guys for viewing my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you again. Thank you guys. See you later.